Hello! So today we're doing at the park, the number line Friday. We are going to be using a number line to solve our problem of the day. So my problem of the day says there are 12 children in the park. 8 of the children are girls. How many boys are in the park? So I have to think about this, right? So let me go ahead and do my UPS check because U means understand, and underline. So I'm going to understand and underline important information. I know that the question is, how many boys? That is what they want to know. They want to know how many boys are in the park. Now, did they give me information? They did. They told me how many there are in total. So I already know how many kids there actually are there. How many kids? There's 12 kids. How many of those kids are girls? Let me see here. Oh, it says it right here. 8. So 8 of the kids are girls. The other part of the kids are boys. Altogether, there's 12. So let me go down here to my number line. Remember, there's different ways to solve math problems. So how am I going to solve this math problem today? Well, I am going to start with, I know that I have 12. And this is a picture. So this is how you're going to solve it using a picture. And then down here, you're going to use your number sentence. That's what the S is for, my number sentence. So there are 12 children at the park. 8 of them are girls. So I'm going to take those 8 away from 12. And what I'm trying to find is how many are boys. That is my question. Well, let me use the number line to solve this problem. If I have 12 and I'm taking away 8, well, I have 12. I'm going to take away. That means I have to go back. So let me go back. I'm going to go back 8. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So where I went back, I landed here and I used a different color. So if I'm using my number line, I went back 8. I took away 8 girls. How many boys are there? There are 4 boys. So I'm going to go ahead and write my number here. And I can actually use addition to check my work. So let me see. If I use addition to check my work, let me use a different color. I can do the 4 boys plus the 8 girls. How many children should be? How many children should there be? There should be 12, right? So let me go ahead and count up. I'm going to count up from 4. I'm going to count up 8. So 4, and let me keep on going. I'm going to count up now. I'm using addition to check my problem. So here's 4, and let me go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I get to 12? Yep, I did. So then my equation is correct. It is your turn to do it.